In our previous lesson, you learned how to say we play in German, which is wir spielen. How did we get to this form? What I'd basically like to show you how to do in this video is how to get the wir form for any regular verb in the present tense. So we start with the infinitive spielen, and we have our subject pronoun wir. And this is a simple rule. Drop the en from the infinitive and add en for wir. So essentially, the infinitive form is the wir form, spielen. If you go through the process, here's your stem or your root, and you add en if you're using wir. So you get wir spielen, wir spielen. Remember that a verb in the present tense can mean three things. We play, we do play, we are playing. So wir spielen. We play, we do play, we are playing. And the meaning that you get just depends on the context of your conversation. So let's try it with other infinitives, regular infinitives. And for this part, you just have to take my word for it. These are regular infinitives in the present tense in German. And remember, by regular, we mean that it follows a very predictable pattern of conjugation. So these will all work with what you just learned. So to go, gehen, to need, brauchen, to bring, bringen, to find, finden, to ask, fragen, to buy, kaufen, to love, lieben. You just learned that the infinitive form and the wir form are the same, so you can easily conjugate all of these. So here you have it all at once. Gehen, to go, wir gehen, we go, or gehen wir, do we go, are we going? Wir brauchen, we need, brauchen wir, do we need? Wir bringen, we bring, bringen wir, are we bringing? Wir finden, we find, finden wir, are we finding? Wir fragen, we ask, fragen wir, are we asking? Wir kaufen, we buy, kaufen wir, are we buying? Wir lieben, we love, lieben wir, are we loving, do we love? That's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Bis bald.